Hello, welcome to the small demonstration about our front-end TalentLayer Indie. So, for this record, I create a brand new wallet without anything. So, let's say I want maybe to post a job. I'm an employer. So, first step I need to do is to connect my wallet. This is it. Then I need to create my TalentLayer ID. Let's say Greg, for example. So here I mint my new NFT, Soulbound NFT. So we got some transaction in progress. We can click here and follow it on Etherscan. So not, but we are on Goerli on testnet for now, so it's a bit slow. So now I can post the job. So Web3 developer, I prepared an about, the keyword are Web3, DApp, and Solidity. And for that, let's say that permission is for 0.4 ETH, and I can now post my job. Once again, it shows me that the transaction is in progress, and I can follow it on Etherscan. I can show you what it do. And so here we go, our transaction went well. And so it seems that our jobs has been created. So let's go now and find it. So you can see here all the current opened jobs. And we can see here that the job posted by Greg today is here for 0.if. So I can show the details. For now, as an employer, I don't have any review, any reputation. I can see my description here, and there is no proposal yet for a job. So let's switch account and maybe create a proposal. So I switch the account, and now I'm connected as Boris. So Boris is a freelancer, and Boris will now create a proposal for this jobs, as it is interesting. So create a proposal, some of the jobs information, and now we can go with the description. Now Boris can tell if he is okay for the price. So yes, it's okay for 0.514 ETH. He can now post his proposal. So a new transaction will happen. Okay, and now my proposal have been sent to the graph, and I can get all the information and so far from IPFS. So the proposal is in pending, and so now Greg can validate that or not. So let's go back to Greg. Now connecting as Greg is seeing the review proposal, and he can here validate it or not. One point also is that Greg can go directly on his dashboard, see the job he posted, and see here that he got a notification about this proposal, and can come back in the page also here. And here we have a summary of the different fees and rates. So the job is for 0.4. There is marketplace fees, and there is platform fees at the end. You'll have to pay that. We are checking all the balances to be sure he got enough amounts. It's good. So now we can validate the proposal. So at this time, he will have to send the money to the escrow. So that's what the transaction is doing now. Transaction validated, and we can see on Goerli that there is 0.4 Ether send with the transaction. So perfect. Now we can come back here, maybe refreshing, and we can see now that the job is confirmed and that Boris is the new responsible, the new freelance who will handle the jobs. So his proposal has been validated. Not that only the employer can see this part of the page. And so now is good. Let's say that some weeks happened and that Boris did the first part of the job. So Greg can come here, see the release payment and payment summary. So for now, all is still in the escrow. So just for this demo, we have a simple button to just release 50% of that, so 0.2. So let's do it. Here, the freelancer will receive this amount now. Okay, so the payment release has been done. So what we can do is to go back to the Boris account now. Now I can go back to my dashboard. So the dashboard presents the information about me, and I can see that there is last incomes of 0.2 if happened recently. So this is from the graph. I can click on it and see which job is linked to that. Let's go back to Greg here. So we see that Greg don't have yet complete his profile, so we can also do that and get some skills. So Web3, Solidity, DApp, stuff like that. And then update his profile. Here we go. Okay, and now I can go back to my dashboard, see my new title, skills, and yeah, I've got also a public profile page where I can find this kind of information and the jobs I posted. What we can do next is to say that the job's finished, and so we can go to the payment summary, see that we already released half of the parts, and now we release the last part. So the transaction now validated. So if I go back to the payment summary, I see that all the amounts, all the payment has been released from the escrow. So that's cool. And now the job is finished and I can create my review. So let's do it. So how the job went with Boris? I gave him like a rating on 4 and I can post now my review. This is it. The review has been posted. And now I can see here all the reviews linked to the jobs, the rating and the message. I can check the Find Talents page and now I see that Boris got one review with a rating of 4. Check my dashboard, so now I've got the second payment, second incomes that is here, all the information and jobs applied finished. This is the one. And that's it for this demo. Thank you for listening. Bye.